now let's see the events. So the creation is in progress. Okay. Okay, it's telling the image ID does not exist. Okay, why is it so? Okay, let us go to the EC2 service and check if this AMI ID is existing or not. I'll launch some instance. Okay, so this will take this one. Amazon Linux AMI. We'll get this one and again save it. Okay, let's again do the same thing. Create a stack, choose it. Next, stack name will be same. C2 instance. To next create. Hopefully this time it will create. Okay, so web security group is created. Let's see if EC2 is creating. Okay. Why is it so? I believe this was existing. Let me check the key pair. Okay. That is why these things are happening. Now I have updated the correct um, group. So, and I have just updated the name of the EC2 instance as web1, and AMI ID I reverted to old one because these things are existing in Oregon region. So I'll save again. This time it should work. So I'll just go to the CloudFormation service. Create stack. Choose file. Next. We'll create. Web security group created. Instance creation is in progress. So let's wait for some time until it is completed. In the meanwhile, we can go to the EC2 console and check what is the status, whether it is launched or not. So yep, we see some instances. Yeah, it is launched. Yep. So this is finally created. So we have used this CloudFormation template to deploy one EC2 instance. So it will take some time to initialize, but our purpose of creating a EC2 instance using a sample CloudFormation template is completed. So you can just check the resources here. What resources are created? Output we have not given any. You can just check the overview. What is there, and you can check the events. You can just check the template, what all we have defined. Parameters we have not given, tags we have not given any. So all these things we have not set. So only resources is there, so it is giving some value. So this is finally successful. We have deployed a server using CloudFormation, and some a few more things are there, like if you want to change termination protection, that if it somebody cannot just go and delete this stack, because deleting this stack will remove all the resources that are created. So let me just go and delete this stack, and it will delete all the resources of, for instance, in this case, the security group and the instance. So it will delete both. So I'm just going and deleting this. So it will it will delete the instance as well as the security group. So this is the beauty of CloudFormation. You can create all the resources in one go, and you can delete them in on a single click. So let's go and check if the termination is started. Yep, it started. So in some time this EC2 instance will be terminated. So this is really pretty good stuff. You can just replicate a whole environment by using a stack. You can just create a template of defining what are the resources which will be required in an environment. You can deploy the whole environment in a single stack, and you can delete all the resources in an environment, deleting that single instance. So this is a really pretty good stuff, CloudFormation. Hope you've liked it. So thank you for listening. Have a great day.